friends, it's Steffi and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys today. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell down below so you can get notifications for when I post another video. And make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Steffi Bluebear. So today's makeup tutorial is going to be sort of a purpley look. I've worn this look in I think a few videos. And I wanted to show you guys how I did it because I really like that look and I think it's a really good look, especially for fall and around October, because it's sort of like orangey purpley Halloweeny look. So without further ado, let's just get started. So I did my eyebrows already and I already primed my eyes. So the palette that I'm going to be using is a Boxy Charms Per. I did this look before without having this palette, but I kind of ran out of the eyeshadow that I use for like the orangey color, so I'm going to use this palette and use like this orangey color and maybe some of this to like get the orange. So we are going to take the color Nakey in the Boxy Charm /Per palette, and we're going to put it all over the crease of my eye. Again, this palette is actually really powdery, so I'm almost out of this color, which I really like this color, but I just wish it wasn't as powdery so I could like have it some more, keep it longer, but it is just really powdery. I still really like this color a lot. So now that I have that color, I'm going to use a little bit of Belle, not too much. So now that I have that color in place, I'm going to blend it a little bit. So the next color I'm going to be using is this color. I'm not sure what color it is, but it's in this eyeshadow trio. And I'm going to use this color, and this is one of my favorite palettes, as you can see, because I've hit pan on it. I use this palette a lot for natural looks, or I just want to look natural on some days, and this is like my absolute favorite color, and I wish I had this again, but I just don't know the name of the, I know the name of the brand, I just don't know the name of the color because it doesn't say on here. But I just want more of that color. So I'm going to take that color and put it on my eyes as well to give it more color. So the next thing that I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Color Icon Loose Pigment in the shade Mythical Dreams from the Unicorn collection. This is one of my favorite purples ever. This is one of my favorite purple loose pigment eyeshadows ever that I got two of them. So this is one that's open. I have another one somewhere, but I have two of these because it's my absolute favorite purple, and I would be really sad if Wet n Wild got rid of this. I know that they still sell it on the website, so if you want a purple, this is a really good purple. So I'm gonna use a flat brush. I'm gonna use this flat concealer brush, and it's from RK by Kiss, and it's one of my favorite flat brushes. So I'm going to spray this a little bit with some setting spray, and then I'm going to dip into the eyeshadow, and then I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. Oh, see how beautiful that is? Oh, I love this purple so much. So I'm gonna put on the rest of my face and then we'll come back to continue the eyes. Okay, so I have my foundation and my powder on, so we're gonna go back to the eyes. So we're gonna take the color Naked again, which is this color, and we are going to put it underneath the eyelid. So right here. So we're gonna take this Revlon Diamond Dust in the color Plum Galaxy. It's like another purple color, and it's like a shimmery dark purple. We are going to put that. We're going to put that underneath the eye, just a little bit. So now we're gonna curl our eyelashes, and we're gonna curl the eyelashes and then put mascara on. So the last thing that I'm gonna do for my eyes is I'm gonna put this eyeshadow. It's called Enigma by Surreal Makeup, and I'm gonna use this color as an inner corner highlight for my eyes. So I'm gonna use this very small angled brush by Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna use that to put the inner corner highlight. Could you see that inner corner highlight? It's really pretty. It's like orange mixed with yellows and stuff, and it's really beautiful. This is how the powder looks like in the container. Really pretty. So I'm just gonna do some contouring. I'm gonna use the palette that I've had for a long time. As you can see, I've had it for a long time because it's broken now. I got this brush from, I bought it on Poshmark because I wanted to buy it from Wet n Wild, but they didn't have any more of the red one, so I bought it from Poshmark. And I did a review on the Fire and Ice Dragon collection, and I just want to say that this is a really good brush for contouring. I mean, look at how natural that looks, and compared to this side, it looks so natural. Like, I really like this brush a lot, and I'm so glad that I bought it. And then we're gonna put some highlights. So I'm gonna be using this highlight. It's, what's it called? It's Rose Quartz. So I'm gonna be using the pink side. It has a subtle shine to it, not too bright. The very last thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting lipstick on. So I'm going to be putting this LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. And it is in the color Black Currant, and it's just like very deep purple. Here is a complete look. I really like this look. If you wanted to, you could put like a gloss on top of it. I have this purple gloss from Surreal Makeup, and it's called Ariel, and it smells like chocolate, and it looks like this, and it's really glittery. And you could put it on. You could put like a purpley gloss on. I'm not going to, because I always wear this look with a matte lip since the eyes are kind of shimmery, if you could tell. You could also put eyelashes on, but with this look, I mean, I don't really feel like putting eyelashes on at the moment, so this is the look. It's really pretty. You could always change up the lips too. You could put like a nude lip or like something else, but I think having orangey purple eyes with a darker matte purple lipstick looks good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below what you think about this makeup look. Do you have any of the products that I use? Are you gonna try it out? Please let me know. And until next time, bye.